Hey there, I'm Dr. Susan Hartley, and I'm truly delighted you've joined me today. We're about to explore some life-changing health insights specifically for women over 60. And trust me, your body will thank you for listening. If you're new here, welcome to our growing community of vibrant, health-conscious women. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more wonderful souls like you. And I absolutely love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Let me start by asking, do you find yourself waking up more than once during the night to go to the bathroom? If so, you're not alone. Many women over 60 experience this frustrating issue. And here's the thing, this isn't just an irritating part of aging. It's a big signal from your body that something's out of balance. You see, poor sleep can chip away at your health, your energy, and even your independence. Yet many women unknowingly engage in daily habits that actually worsen this issue. Today, I'm going to uncover 5 of the most common yet overlooked bedtime habits that may be sabotaging your bladder health and your sleep, and how to break them for good. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, proven strategies to help you reclaim restful, uninterrupted nights. Are you ready? Let's begin. Habit 1. Consuming fluids. Too late in the day. It might seem simple, don't drink water late at night, but there's more to it than you think. Many women cut back on water but unknowingly consume fluid-rich foods or beverages that still keep the bladder active while they sleep. Think about that hot cup of herbal tea, that juicy slice of watermelon, or even that healthy bowl of soup at dinner. All these contain hidden fluids that trigger nighttime urination. Let me share the story of Evelyn, a 69-year-old yoga teacher from Santa Fe. Despite her disciplined lifestyle, Evelyn was waking up 3 to 4 times each night. She had no idea that her chamomile tea and evening fruit salad were working against her. When she implemented a simple liquid curfew, stopping all fluids, including juicy fruits and soups, 3 hours before bed, she saw a transformation. Within 2 weeks, she was waking up just once a night, and soon after, she enjoyed full nights of uninterrupted sleep for the first time in years. Here's the key. Set your fluid cutoff time at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you sleep at 10 p.m., stop consuming all fluids, including teas, fruits, broths, and even medication that isn't essential by 7 p.m. Your kidneys need time to slow down their work at night. When you allow that, your body can produce more vasopressin, a hormone that reduces nighttime urine production. The result? Fewer bathroom trips, deeper sleep, and more energy the next day. Habit 2. Late-night eating and diuretic foods. Ladies, dinner matters, not just what you eat, but when you eat. Late-night meals, especially those rich in natural diuretics, are a major trigger for nighttime urination. Certain foods that seem healthy, like cucumbers, tomatoes, spinach, green tea, and citrus fruits, can act as diuretics. They signal your kidneys to produce more urine just when you need them to relax. Meet Clara, a 73-year-old retired nurse from Oregon. She used to enjoy a light dinner of salad, green tea, and a few orange slices at 8:30 p.m. She thought she was doing everything right, but her sleep was constantly broken by trips to the bathroom. Once she adjusted her dinner to 6 p.m. and swapped in non-diuretic foods like sweet potatoes, brown rice, and grilled chicken, her nighttime interruptions dropped drastically. Within a month, Clara was finally enjoying deep, restorative sleep. So here's your plan. Eat dinner at least 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. Focus on bladder-friendly foods such as bananas, oatmeal, lentils, baked vegetables, and turkey. And say goodbye to evening caffeine, citrus fruits, chocolate, and salty snacks. You'll not only sleep better but improve digestion, reduce acid reflux, and feel lighter in the morning. Habit 3. The just-in-case bathroom trip. It's a common ritual. Even if you don't feel the urge, you head to the bathroom before bed just in case. Unfortunately, this habit trains your bladder to empty at smaller and smaller volumes. Over time, your bladder loses its natural stretch and starts sending urgent signals even when it's not full. Let me introduce you to Martha, a vibrant 70-year-old artist from Vermont. She told me, "I thought going before bed was smart, but I started waking up every 2 hours." Together, we worked on a retraining program. Martha only used the bathroom before bed if she truly felt the urge. She also practiced breathwork and reading to calm her nerves instead of preemptive peeing. Within 3 weeks, Martha's bladder adjusted. She began sleeping 4 to 5 hours straight, feeling more in control of her body. You can try this too. Trust your body. Use the bathroom, only if you have a real need. If you're anxious, distract yourself with calming activities until the feeling passes. This small change can reset your bladder's rhythm and help you build confidence in your body's natural signals. Habit 4. Sleeping in the wrong position. Believe it or not, how you sleep physically affects your bladder function. Stomach sleeping and poor pillow support can place pressure on your abdomen and restrict circulation. This pressure sends false signals to the bladder and encourages urine production. Proper sleep posture can reduce nocturia significantly. Side sleeping with a pillow between your knees helps align your spine, reduce pelvic pressure, and improve circulation. It also minimizes fluid shifts from the legs back into the bloodstream during sleep. Here's the story of Darlene, a 66-year-old grandmother from Ohio. Darlene was waking up 3 times a night and couldn't figure out why. A sleep specialist pointed out her posture. She slept curled tightly on her stomach with a high pillow. When she switched to sleeping on her side with knee support and a flatter pillow for neck alignment, her bathroom visits reduced by half within 10 days. Supportive sleep isn't just about comfort, it's about circulation and organ function. Make sure your sleep setup supports your body, not pressures it. Habit 5. Ignoring the signs of hormonal imbalance. Hormonal changes after menopause play a major role in bladder health and sleep. Estrogen helps maintain the lining of the bladder and urethra. When levels drop, these tissues become more sensitive, leading to increased urgency and nighttime urination. But here's the hopeful part. You can support hormonal balance naturally. Let's talk about Nancy, a 65-year-old retired schoolteacher from Atlanta. She thought her bladder issues were irreversible, but after working with a holistic doctor, Nancy started incorporating flax seeds, vitamin E, magnesium, and stress-reducing activities like Tai Chi. These changes didn't just help her bladder. Her sleep, mood, and energy levels improved too. Talk to your healthcare provider about how to balance your hormones post-menopause. Sometimes bioidentical hormone therapy or herbal supplements can make a world of difference. And remember, hormonal harmony means your entire system can function better, from your bladder to your brain. Now, before I wrap up, I want you to remember, better sleep isn't just about one big fix. It's the result of thoughtful, consistent habits. Tonight, pick just one of these changes and try it. Maybe it's setting a fluid curfew, maybe it's changing your sleeping position. Whatever you choose, commit to it for a week and watch how your nights begin to transform. And if you want a complete guide to thriving in your 60s and beyond, check out my new digital wellness book, Rest Well, Live Strong, Women Over 60 Edition. You'll find all the tools to build a powerful, peaceful life that starts with a good night's sleep. Leave a comment and tell me which habit you're going to change first. I read every message and I'm cheering you on. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.